Indoor plants not only leave the environment more comfortable, they also improve air quality and increase the amount of oxygen in the room. Unfortunately, plants don't always do as well as we would like, even if you try really hard to take care of them. Even when you water them regularly, they still look sad and wilted. Sound familiar? Parasites and pests are normally to blame. And unfortunately, they're not always easy to spot with the naked eye. Some people resort to chemicals, but then you could end up damaging the plants even more. Fortunately, there is a very simple trick that can improve the appearance of your plants quickly. Forget about the aggressive chemical products. All you need is a simple, easy-to-find box of matches. Take some of them and stick them in the dirt surrounding the plant. Make sure you bury the head of the match in the dirt. Your plant will recover quickly. The reason is in the head of the matches. More specifically, of what they are made of. The phosphorus and the sulfur will get rid of the bugs in a safe and reliable way, and your plant will be able to breathe again. See, it's not always necessary to use aggressive products to solve this type of problem. Sometimes the solution is quite simple, and best of all is that you can reuse the matches later. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.